Today I'll guide you through how to prepare, print, and e-file your federal tax form using QuickBooks. Go to Employees, then select Payroll and Tax Forms. Click on Process Payroll Forms, and from the Other Activities, choose Manage Filing Methods. Find Federal Form 941 and click Edit. Under Select how you want to file the form, choose Filing as Responsible Individual. And select your filing method, either e-file or print and mail. Click Finish to save. If you're not enrolled in the IRS e-file program yet, select Enrollments, then IRS and click Edit. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your enrollment. With your setup complete, it's time to file. Go back to Employees, select Payroll Tax Forms and click Process Payroll Forms. Choose Federal Form 941. Then select Create Form. Review each page of the form and click on Check for Errors. If any errors are detected, they will appear in a box above the form. Click on the error to navigate to the section that needs correction. Fix all errors before proceeding. Once errors are resolved, click Submit to either print or e-file the form. To print, select Open Printable Version, then Print PDF. To e-file, enter a 10-digit IRS e-file PIN and follow the on-screen instructions. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.